Hello everyone and welcome back to Postnetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we are diving into a key concept in statistics, covariance. Basically we will see an example. So covariance helps us understand how two variables move together. It's a fundamental tool used in data analysis and mastering it is your first step toward unlocking deeper insights in data. So before we jump in, a quick shout out to all of you who watched our last video, change of origin versus scale made simple. If you haven't seen it, you can check from the playlist. So now let us calculate covariance between x and y. So given pairs of observations are, you can see 2, 4, 10, 15 and so on. So there are 8 observations and we need to find out relation between first element of the ordered pair and the second one. So basically it is a table. So xi, yi, and now you can see that if you summarize, so sum of all xi's are 102 and sum of all y's are 93. And if you take their product, so like 2 into 4, that would be 8, 10 into 15, 150, and if you add them all, so that would be 1260, and these values we will use for calculating covariance. So the formula of covariance is 1 upon n summation over xi yi minus 1 upon n summation from 1 to n xi into 1 upon n summation y. And now number of observations are 8, sum of xi is 102, sum of y's are, you can say that 93, and product of xi and yi sum, that is 1260. So if you plug all these values, so you will get 1 upon 8, 1260 minus 102 upon 8, 93 upon 8. And if you simplify, so finally you will get 9.29. And see that what is the interpretation of this result. So a positive covariance indicates that x and y tends to increase together. However, the magnitude of covariance does not indicate the strength of the relationship. That means whether it is 9.29 or 15.29, you can understand the direction, but you cannot understand magnitude. What is the strength of the relationship? And for this one we will learn correlation in upcoming videos, where we can get direction as well as strength, or you can say that magnitude. Covariance only measures direction, that means positive, so both variables values are increasing or decreasing, both. And negative, so one is increasing, another is decreasing, or one is decreasing, another is increasing. So you can say that covariance just can measure direction, correlation measures direction as well as strength, and that we will see in another video. And you can reach Postnetwork Academy for more resources. You can visit website, YouTube channel, Facebook page and LinkedIn page. So hope you have understood what I have explained. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video again.